you will just see that Twig box app, and you can check that one as well. And further, remember that you should open your browser in I have opened that in Safari. You are going to open that in Safari, and when you are going to open that one, I'm going to open Safari, and you will just paste the link here, maybe here, and you can just paste that link or open that directly with Safari. Now when you are going to click on Twigbox app, then you will bring to the app where you are going to just install that one, and you are going to click on install now here, and then you will wait a little bit for the application to be installed, and then we will go and proceed further. Now you can check that now my iPhone has my iPad has just brought to me a new page, or it is a profile page, where we are going to just say that, and you are going to click on install here, and I'm going to click install here, and you are going to click install here, and I will click install here, and it will now going to install. As you can see that it is loading, and we will wait a little bit until it will install. Now you can see that everything is installed, the profile installed, and we are going to click done. And now what we are going to do, we will just click home button on our iPad, and you will check that we have now Twigbox application here. You are going to click that one, and when you are going to click that one, you will get interference for the Twigbox, and here you will get the privacy setting, and you are going to click accept. And now on the top you will see app here. You are going to click the app, and you will just take tweaked apps. You are going to click that one, and after that one you will get a lot of application which is tweaked for the iPad or different other application. Now you have Instagram, YouTube. We are going to just scroll that down until we will see the WhatsApp application here, and here you will see 3 WhatsApp application, here 1, 2, 3, but you are going to install the WhatsApp plus, and for that doing so, you are going to click on that one, and after that one you will click on install here, and you should wait a little bit that it will maybe bring something like this box, and you are going to click install, and you will wait for the installation should complete. And if you are going to see that where it is installing, you should press home button, and after pressing home button you will see here that now it is waiting and installing. We will wait for the application should install, and you can check that right now that it is loading. Once it will complete, then we will proceed further. You will see the WhatsApp application now here, and it is also looking like we have plus also here, and when I'm going to open that one, it will say that trust enterprise developer, and it means we are just going to integrate something because it is from untrusted Twig app. It is not from the App Store, therefore it needs trust version as well, and we are going to cancel from here right now, and we will come in setting here, and we are going to click setting, and after setting we are just going to come in journal, we have in journal selected, and we will come in down, and we have profile and disk or device management, something like this one. You are going to click that one, and you have app enterprises or enterprise app, and you are going to click that one. You will see WhatsApp application plus, and you are going to tap trust, the name which is written here, and you are going to give trust, and now I'm going to press home button, and when we are going to press home button, then you are ready to open your WhatsApp. Here is WhatsApp would like to access your contact, and you are going to say okay, because you want to just give that one as well. And a big like agree and continue, you are going to tap on that one.